Hey y'all, welcome back to another building block video. Today, we're going to talk about the importance of maintaining an inbox. It's okay if you feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of unread messages you have in your inbox, as these steps will help you. But it does require you to be honest with yourself. Start by ruthlessly unsubscribing to any email you're not likely to read. I try to maintain this on a regular basis in my personal inbox because our interests do change. There are seasons of our life that we really enjoy getting all the marketing emails, and there are seasons of our life that we just need a simplified inbox. Look at your emails in the past 24 hours. Just those. You don't have to look at all the other 10,000 unread messages, just the past 24 hours. How many of those can you just take 2 seconds and unsubscribe from right away? Do it now. This will help prevent more coming into your inbox and adding to the clutter. Once you've identified an email sender that you don't want to receive any more of their emails, quickly search that sender name in the search bar and automatically select all those emails that pop up and delete them. Doesn't matter if they're read or unread. If you haven't looked at them, you're not going to, and plus you've already made the commitment to unsubscribe to that particular provider. Do this for all of those that you've received the past 24 hours. That will help prevent the incoming emails, as well as start purging some of those emails from your inbox to begin with. Once you've done that for the past 24 hours worth of emails, create a folder in your inbox of archived messages or something along those lines. Then you're going to move all of those unread messages into that folder. Get it out of your inbox. Have nothing in your inbox. It'll feel so good to see nothing there. Each day afterwards, check your incoming mails and then kind of use the same process. Are there any you don't want to receive anymore? Unsubscribe right away. Then take that sender name, search through your former inbox and get rid of them. Just make life easier. And then slowly with time, you will start to chip away and only have the emails that you actually want to receive, and not all of those unread ones. If there is an email that comes in that requires an action that can be done in like 2 minutes, do it right away. It will give you such great peace of mind to know that you've taken care of it and there's nothing more you need to do, because then you can delete that email or archive it appropriately. Another tip for those emails you don't need right away, whether it's a confirmation or a reminder or something like that, there's this handy dandy snooze button where you can snooze just that email and let it come back in like 3 months for a reminder. Do it. You don't need it cluttering your inbox in the meantime. You just need it for that assigned future date, and this will be a good little reminder. Something that you need to do that takes some investigation and stuff, and you just need to assign it later on, snooze it for a little while and come back to it once you have your inbox under control. It does take time and dedication for you to chip away a little by little each day, especially of that former inbox type folder that you have. Then eventually you won't have any left and it'll be empty and it'll be beautiful. The system does take some commitment to it, especially if you're a little overwhelmed at this particular moment by how many you have. But set time aside each week, each day, to go through your daily emails at the very least, so you're not adding to the clutter. And maybe a couple times a week, go through the old emails, start getting rid of them. How many of them do you really need if you haven't looked at them yet? Something to think about. You can get this back under control. See you in the next video. Bye now.